the low, break the high, mitigation, drop. You see, we wanted to push higher, break the high, break the low, mitigation, rise. Ultimately, break the high, break the low, mitigation, rise.
Right.
We wanted to push lower here, break the low, break the high, mitigation, drop. You see this price here?
Yeah.
That was where I started discovering. I started noticing it here, but this was where I started implementing it, and I started putting all the whole structure together that I'm explaining today. This was where it all started from.
On the M1, from that push right there.
No, from this push here, that was where I started putting all this education together.
Right. Yeah.
Here, so when somebody asks when did you discover, it was around 3rd of March this year. So all I do now was between 3rd of March and today. So you see, anybody can within a short period of time.
Yeah, because I remember when I saw your first call, that was when I just got out the March boot camp, and you were on the call, and you were like, "Yeah, I've only been doing this for like 3 weeks now," but you were catching like 40%, 50% a day already. So I knew you were a maniac. Yeah, I knew you were crazy.
You understand? So this was where it started from. All where it started from. And this was still learning curve. But here was madness curve. Yeah. There was madness curve.
That's crazy that you sat there and discovered this.
Yeah, literally here we started catching every single move that happened here till date. So this was madness curve here.
That's crazy, bro. You need to screenshot that and put a poster of it on your wall or something, bro. That's what
Exactly.
changed your life, bro.
I'll be like learning curve and I'll be like madness curve. What changed my life? What changed your life, Yusuf? You're learning curve and madness curve.
Yes, sir. Now we're here.
Now we're here. Right? So you see here, we knew price was ready to push, and we have big BOS, break the high, break the low. You see structure? Even here, there was this tiny break the high, break the low, then finally mitigation here, we pushed higher. Here, there was break the high, break the low, and then finally we pushed higher. Here, there was break the high, break the low, then finally we pushed higher. Here, break the high, break the low, then finally we pushed higher.
Right.
Right?
Yeah, I grab.
Right? But you see, when you want to ignore all of those things, the market allows you to ignore it with ease. You see? It allows you to ignore it with ease, and you can fit perfectly into your narrative.
Right, yeah.
See that? And say, okay, here we're bearish, break of the structure will be extreme, decisional, whatever.
1%.
Then, we're bullish now.
Easy 1%, yeah.
Exactly. You split the risk. Crazy.
Madness, bro.
Yeah, madness. Look at this. Break the low, break the high, and then drop. Break the low, break the high, and then drop. This was madness curve. This was intense learning curve because I remember we got this move. Everything here. Yeah.
Were you demo trading it at this point?
Exactly.
Oh, okay, I see. Just testing it
and
out.
I always advise, I always advise people, if you're new to it, demo trade for at least a month or 2.
Right.
Yeah. You and the market should get into the same sync level.
Yeah.
Okay. Then just keep demo trading. Keep those trades. Understand, learn from it, journal it. 30 days. Journal for at least 30 good days.
Yeah.
I'm seeing it. Those who are serious, I'm seeing them. Those who are struggling, who are still struggling, right, are the ones that are not journaling.
Yeah.
The ones who are journaling and they are learning from their mistakes daily, they are improving. The ones who were complaining, and I told them, look, journal your trades. They started seeing improvement.
Yeah, because you know why you lose, you can fix it.
Yes, don't get distracted with the next person that is killing it.
Yeah.
Oh, how did you pick that trade? Well, you can ask that because you want to learn from it, but make sure you journal the reason.
Right.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. So that's the 4 hours, and if you look at it from the 1 hour, same thing, but you see it is clearer. See now, it is clearer. Pretty high, pretty low. And then we move. All right?
Yep.
So, like that, investigation there, like that. Continue moving about. It's a crazy market, man. Some of my annotation has even, it's not on the chart anymore. I lost them when I was teaching. Them. If you see my chart before, man, very crazy, because literally it's like I was catching everything like this.
Yeah, that's wild.
But I lost them when I was teaching. I mistakenly clicked delete and I couldn't recover them back again. So it's all good. Yeah, it's all good. You see this market here? Yeah, I think it was you. You remember I was telling you this is still going up?
Yeah.
Right? Remember I said that was when we're still here.
Right, yeah.
And you see we're still going up.
So you think it's going to get to that area?
Oh, of course it is.
Do you know what it's going to do when it gets there?
Oh, yes, I do.
Where is it going to go after it goes there?
Okay, it's coming here to this level here.
You said it's coming down to this level?
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Oh, the IPA?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
So are you gonna buy it up then? You know where it's gonna buy up from to get to
where it's going to buy up from to here? You don't. That's what you don't know. So you can only move. That's why we adapt to price. You see, this was an inducement on the lower time frame here. Can you see break the high, break the low, and then we move?
Right.
Don't be surprised if you have this break the high, break the low, mitigation here. Everybody's saying, oh, break up the structure, I have to go down. Then move your buy.
Okay, that makes sense.
Right. So you see, like this was one of the best trades I forecasted. Break the high, break the low, break the high, mitigation. Then we're ready to go.
I see.
Yeah, I remember this trade here. Literally cut all of this. Then waited. This was Asian session. Cut all of this. This was Asian session. Cut all of this. Then sold this. Then bought this. And finally this. Then sold this.
Bro, that's unheard of, bro. That's crazy.
It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Like sometimes I can't stop thanking God enough. Every day I remember, I can't stop thanking God enough. And I have people that call me too, and they are just grateful every day.
I can see why. I mean, it's life changing, bro. I've never seen anything like this before.
Yeah, look at it. This is it here. This is that level of stuff, Literally. Look at, we bought it. Asian session, we are asleep, we woke up, we bought again. Asian session, we are asleep, we woke up, we sold, we bought again. Then Asian session again, we are asleep, we bought again, then we sold, we bought, sold, bought, sold, then finally sold it all the way down.
Yo, what the fuck? Why? And I'm assuming that it's not really an imbalance. That's like an order block on the lower time frame.
Oh, of course you do. You know what it is.
Okay, all right. Just making sure.
It's another block on the lower time frame. Okay, so it's that easy and that simple. I'm going to show you. You see how fractal it can get.
Okay.
Let me take this guy here and take him to 5 minutes, which is our higher time frame for intraday structure.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck is
this? On this day, I was so much in the mood. I was so much.
You were just feeling yourself?
This day I was so much in the mood. I don't know why I was excited that day, so I just dealt with the market as I am. So if you look at this, break the low, break the high. Can you see that? Drop. Right. Then the retest there, drop. Then now we had this mitigation here. For some reason we knew this was going to buy here. And after that buy, then we had, if you look at this very closely, you see we had break the high, break the low.
Okay.
Then buy, right? Then you understand why this buy happened by the third day. Then we had this buy. Then look at this, break the high, break the low. What do you see? Buy. Right? So you see here again, price came here, break the high, break the low. Then what do you see? Buy.
Over and over, bro.
Then then here was that level it came to react from for certain reasons, and then we knew we're still bullish though, so we're not. I closed I took partials here. That's why you see this level here. I took partials here, and here partials too. Then I held the rest till it came to TP.
Wow.
Now, if you look very closely, you're going to see that it is not different from this day too.
Yo, what the fuck?
Look at this. You see here, this first buy, break the high, break the low, we bought, right? Then again, break the high, break the low, we bought, right? Then price came back into the last buy money, then we bought there for some reasons which you may not really understand now. Then it continued again. This buy here, you won't understand it just yet, but you will eventually. That was efficient pricing. Then we had break the high, break the low into this level. That's why we bought. Then this was the re-entry again.
So it's the same pattern over and over again.
Same thing. You want to see this one?
Yeah, please. Here?
Very simple. Look at it. Okay, so what happened was we had price come here into this demand. So we had that price break the high, break the low. So we considered the buy. And finally, we had price here. When it came here, it took out this high here. So, but we didn't sell for certain reasons. And finally, it took out this low here.
Right.
So we had break the high, break the low, and the buys were ready. Then when the final buy happened here, what do you have? Break the high, break the low. NFP.
Crazy as fuck. What's the RR on that trade right there? This NFP one.
Oh. This is 39. This is 42,
What
and
the-
this is 34.
Bro, that sounds fake. That's disgusting. That's crazy as hell, bro. What's up, dude?
You wonder sometimes is this thing
I don't know. This is crazy.
Yeah. On this day, I caught this. I didn't catch this. Then I caught this. Then I caught this, and then this.
That's wild.
Yeah.
You only trade EU, Euro USD?
Yeah, and that's what you're going to do too.
Okay, yeah, that's all right. It has low spreads anyways. I like it.
It has zero spread for me.
Yeah, I can't get IC markets. I might try Owanda though. But on the FTMO, the spreads aren't too bad though. It's like 1 or 2.
Yeah, exactly. So I prefer. I still like the spread on FCM too.
Yeah, it's nothing too crazy.
1, 2, yeah. Yeah, it's very, very okay. Honestly, it's reasonable.
Yeah.
Really, really reasonable. Yeah. But you can't use IC market.
No, I can't. Not in the US.
Mm.
I think Owanda has zero spread on Euro USD too. I'm gonna try them out. But the thing with those kind of brokers is the leverage is always like 1 to like 50 or some shit. Something really low.
Yeah, but then you don't need much leverage though.
Right, yeah. If you're risking 1%, you'll be alright.
Yeah. Hold on, please.
Yeah, I'm chilling. It's an indicator he's gonna show us though for the orange candles. I don't know what they mean. Man said he got 100% on the NFP move, bro. This nigga is dirty.
I'm over that.
One candle.
Okay. So you look at today's market here. You'll be like, what the fuck is all of this, right?
Yeah. Choppy as hell.
Exactly. But then let's go to this cloud and see the magic these guys did today.
Hope you paid private.
And choppy as hell. That was how the day started. See that?
Wow. On the M1.
Let's see.
And then back down.
Magic. Still.
Crazy. Yeah, I saw these moves. I just didn't know how to get into them. All I could do was watch. Yo.
Then the final.
Right at the top. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, some of these moves look impossible, bro. Like, I study them all day and I don't understand. That's crazy.
So, yeah, that's how the magic they did today.
Yo, this is insane.
Right? It's crazy, man. Really,
Yeah, bro,
really
you might
crazy,
charge too little, bro. For 2,800, bro, this is a lot, bro. Yeah, seriously. There's dudes that are charging like $10,000 for one-on-one mentorships, bro. And it's nothing like this with retail strategies. This is a blessing. It really is.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
If you look at here, you wonder why they bought that. If you look at it very closely, efficient pricing all along. The only level.
But I think your screen's frozen.
Okay, my screen is not frozen though. I was sharing. So the only level inefficient is here. And we have that strong bearish pressure there. So price came right into it. So that price came there right into it, and that's why the person stood there while the next person paid close attention to see what's going to happen next, and then sold from this level here because we had the 1 minute delivery from there.
Yo, this shit's crazy.
See these buys here? First buy here, break the high, break the low, you buy to this mitigation, and price wanted to still go lower. So we had this demand level still came into again, right? Then in that process, it did break the high, break the low, and the buy is happened here. That was why that person bought.
Oh, I see. Well, not really, but I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, you get there.
Yeah, bro, I can't wait. This is nuts.
Yeah, it's work, man. Work. Okay, people catch fancy trades like top, down, bottom, and above. As much as I teach it, I still tell people, well, it's not about fancy trades. Better make money.
Yeah. For sure, it looks nice, bro, but as long as you're profiting, right?
That's the most important thing.
Yes, sir.
Like I told my friend, I said, you can catch the top and I jump in the middle, then I come out of the trade with 15% and you close with 5%. You're doing something wrong, my brother. Yeah. Every strategy works in as much as you're making money.
Yeah, that's true. That's all it's about.
It's the most important part of trading. There are people here in this group, okay, they never go a day with a loss.
What the hell?
Okay, that's even fine. And going a day with a loss is even fine. Like, okay, that is not even, like, it's almost impossible for them. But look at this. There are people here in this group that never go a day with less than 10%.
Less than 10%? Yo, what? 50%.
I can point out 5 of them, but I just keep them. That's why it's best to just keep private.
Yeah, I know one of them though, Bright Oladayo. That guy's a monster.
But in fact, Bright is just about a month with me now.
Yeah, and he looks like he's you already, bro. It's crazy.
He is. Bright is crazy, man. He's surprised though. Like, he can't still believe it. All right. So, you took a screenshot, yeah?
Yeah, I took a picture.
Awesome. So now let's jump into the liquidity. So this is what time frame structure analysis is all about. Knowing which time frame structure, which time frame you're on, and how the structure is playing at that particular time. Okay, so very, 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 very important. So let's go to the most interesting part of today. Liquidity. Liquidity. What is liquidity?